Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a database in Notion in 2024. So today, we're diving into how to create a database. Of course, databases in Notion are versatile tools that allow you to organize, track, and even manage some various type of information. Whether it's for project management, personal tracking, or even for team collaboration. So let's explore how to set up your own database in Notion and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open your Notion account. So to do so, go and open a browser. Here I'm using Brave for you. You can use whatever you want. Go to the URL section, basically type notion.com and hit the enter button. If it's your first time, first of all, of course, you'll be taken instead to here. So you'll have to click on login to log in into your account. If you have one, if you don't, click on get Notion for free. And you can, of course, use Google Apple if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you should be logged in, you'll find yourself here in the home or kind of the dashboard of Notion. So here, of course, once you open it, if you want to start creating a database, as you can see here in the home screen, if you scroll down, you'll find here a home views database. So select the database. If you go and click on that, as you can see, you have here the database that you have as example. But we don't want the database that's already existed. We want to create a new database. So basically, we'll have to go and create a new page. Or as an example, I'll just start from a template. So I'll go here to this left panel, click on template, and I'll start from a random template, like, I don't know, maybe projects and tasks. So yeah, I'll start from this template example and click on get template. And I'll start from this page instead of from a new blank page. And as example, this page will serve as the foundation of your database. So you can give, first of all, your page a title. For me, I'll just name it as example test. And of course, once you give it a title, the title, of course, will reflect the type of information you'll be managing, such as maybe project tracker, customer database, or something like that. So of course, you can open templates specifically for that if you want. You can look for something like that, like an example, some data base example for work. There's this user search for maybe school. There's nothing, personal nothing, project nothing, wiki nothing, and Dux nothing. So wiki there's something. Yeah, user research data. So you can simply, as an example, start from this template instead. As an example, so it's database template. If you want to even start from that, you'll be able to. And as I said, you can simply just give it a title that simply will reflect what the type of information you'll be managing here in this database. So now you can start adding a database view to your page. You can simply type or add, as an example, some new tables, or as an example, full page table or inline table, depending on whether you want to embed the table directly on the current page or have it occupy on entire page, as an example, and you'll be able to start creating a blank table where you'll be able to start structuring your database. For example, here you can go and click on new, and you can simply start from new template. You can click on new as example to start a new thing here. And of course, you'll be able, so you'll be able to go as an example and see here a lot of things and options. You can lock the database, you can duplicate it, you can delete it if you want to. You can just copy the link to view so you can send it to other people to view it. You can customize the user research as an example, which is the name of it. So as I said, if you change the name, this will change also with this. As you can see, you can choose these filters too if you have a lot of things here so you can understand it a little bit. And basically here, you will be able to even start designing your database. You can design the structure of your database by adding some properties and fill in like in rows with data. You can click on, as example, various options and simply add in whatever you want. Add the rows that you want. As example, you can add some text, numbers, a lot of things, dates. As you can see, a lot of information to add this on a row. And yeah, basically just design it however you want. As example, you can select, like, as you can see here, title, text, GitHub event pull request, some Google Drive file, Figma file, example, some Zendesk ticket. You'll be able to add a lot of things. You can add some checkbox, URLs, and customize. You can customize each property to fit the type of information you need to track. For example, in a database, you might have columns such as name, such as email. Okay, we don't have email here. Of course, you can go and create that. Maybe even phone number as an example and address as an example also. And of course, you can start by adding and editing entries also, like if you want to, so you can start doing that. You can start using filters to view stuff, example, so filters by date. Of course, if you have like multiple things here in database, like filters by name, date, email, interviewer, status, task, as an example, you have a lot of filters you can work with. Here's an example, all sessions, complete sessions, so a lot of, as I said, filters that you can work with. And of course, you can start create some templates within your database for consistent data. You can click as, or you can start, of course, a new configure templates and design the templates with like a predefined properties and default values. You can save the templates as example that you can quickly duplicate it to a new entry, and this will ensure that all the entries follow the same structure and formats, maintaining consistency across your database, and of course it will save from you a lot of time. And of course, once you finish, you can start relating your database for linked information, style your database, and then share it in collaborations with others. Examples, if you go to the top right corner, you'll find the share option. You can share it with an email or a group. As example, you can let them just invite only, or you can everyone at my session example or Notion will be able to see it, or just anyone with the link at Notion will be able to see it. So here you'll be able to copy the link, and you can even publish it as an example on the web if you want to publish it. So if you click here on publish as example, it will be published on this specific URL that they give you. Of course, if you try like to change it, you'll not be able to. As you can see, the link. So if you want to, as you can see, publish it on the web, you'll have to go and, or sorry, if you want to change like the link expiration, you'll have to go and pay for it to upgrade the plan, because as example, so this link is never expired. So you can allow editing, you can allow commenting, you can allow like duplicates as templates, you can allow the search engine index, and as you can see here, if you click on it, you'll be able to view the site, how it's going to look like, and if people is going to be able to interact with it. And of course, here you can click on and publish it whenever you want, and that should be it for you. So this is gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.